Welcome to One Question at a Time, the TSI series. Question number 30. If the cost of carpeting a floor is $2.5 per square foot, how much will it cost to carpet a rectangular floor that is 10 feet by 12 feet? So we have each of the square right here stands for a square foot, and the cost for one of that square foot is $2.5. Now we have to find out if we have 10 for the width, 10 feet right here for the width, and then we have the length at 12 feet. How much is going to cost to carpet it? So to count how many square we have inside of that 10 by 12 dimensions, we try to find the area of that rectangular floor. And the formula for area of rectangular floor will be our regular rectangle shape will be length times width, right? So here the length is 12 and width is 10. Okay, then for one square foot, that is cost $2.50. Now they're asking for 120 square feet will be 120 square feet. That will be how much? We're working on this type of questions a lot, the converting unit. We have three given numbers, and then we have one unknown. So to find it, we keep the unit on the same side at the columns, then cross multiply. So we have 120 multiplied by 2.5, then divide by 1. That is the question mark. Okay. Now anything divided by 1 is just that thing, so 120 multiply 2.50. You can do the multiplications and take 120 multiply 120 multiply by 2.50. But we can have another way when you break it down, so we know that 120 is 12 times 10, at which it did right here, and 12 is 3 times 4 times 10. 120 is 12 times 10, that we just did, and then 12 is just 3 times 4, then times 10, right? Now we multiply by 2.5. So 4 times 2.5, that's 10. So we have 3 times 10 times 10. 10 times 10 is 100, times 3 is 300. $300. So this should be the right answer. And if you wonder how we do the multiplications with the decimal, that is kind of like the long way to do, but it's doable. So we do 120 times 2.50. Okay, so 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. 0 times 1 is 0. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 2 is 10. Remember 1. 5 times 1 is 5. Remember 1 is 6. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, now we add them. So we have 0. 0 as 0 is 0. 0 as 0 as 0 is 0. And then 4 as 6 is 10. Remember, write 0. Remember 1. 2. Remember 1 is 3. And we have 2 decimal places. So make a decimal after the 2 decimal place. So that's why we have that 20 right there in the answer choice. So the formulas of the area of the rectangles is length and width. Thank you for participating in this series. See you next time.